Hello and welcome to episode 33. This week we reveal who won the battle between the tech giants, Meta and Google. We take a look at our portfolios and we battle two more stocks against each other with this week's theme of best biotech stocks. Without further delay, let's get underway. Every week we invest £25 into each portfolio. One portfolio where you select the stocks, one that tracks the market, and one that generates income to pay to you. We'll then invest an extra £1 into each portfolio for every 100 subscribers we get. I was away last week, so apologies for missing the episode, but it worked out for the best because the winner fell another 1% in the market. And that winner was Google!
3, 2, 1, go.
I should go away more often because the effect has been great on our portfolios. 2 weeks ago was absolutely atrocious with minus 6.9, minus 7.3 and minus 8.3% respectively. Whereas this week, the income generator up a whopping 2.4%, the benchmark up measly 0.4% and the battle royale up 2.5%. We'll definitely take the green. BNM still continuing to climb, up 12.9% in the last 7 days. One of our newer investments, Tristel, has also been doing really well, up 11%. And on the bottom, no surprises there, Nvidia and AMD struggling with the tariff changes. Otherwise, no major changes to the Battle Royale. Looking at this total return on the beach still at the top. The only other thing I would want to point out to you is our newest addition, Man Group, the recruiting company. It fell 22% last week after some bad earnings, so that is a terrible time for us to get in, but what can you do? We're up to 31 holdings now in the Battle Royale, better than 2 weeks ago. 11 are in the green, but still 20 are in the red. The income generator now bringing in £27.63 in annual dividends. That's up from £23.37 last week when we last invested. The next payout in June will be £8.07, and then in September it's going to be £5.03, meaning our next payout will be £14. We've now added £775 to each of our three portfolios, and last week things were not looking good. The Battle Royale down a humongous 12.6%, the income generator 6.6%, and the benchmark 10% down. This week things are looking a little bit better. Battle Royale down only 6.5%, and I'm thrilled by it. Benchmark down still around the 9% mark, but we'll hold on and things will definitely improve. We've now invested all in all £2,148. We've lost 158 with total returns of minus 6.8%, but we're still getting that £43 per year dividend.
3, 2, 1, fight.
The tide is out and prices are low, but we still need to find good companies to invest in. One area that seems particularly good value at the moment is biotech stocks. So let's take a look and see if we can't find a good one to invest in. We've got all the classics. We've got Pfizer, we've got Novo, we've got GSK, and we've got AstraZeneca. Pfizer's going to come straight off the list though, because simply Wall Street thinks it's too expensive, 135.1% to be precise. Novo, on the other hand, 63.4% undervalued, GSK 72%, and AstraZeneca is also 65.3% undervalued. So these all seem like cheap stocks for biotechs at the moment. Not the be all and end all, but Novo pays a 2.7% dividend, GSK a 4.6%, and AstraZeneca a little dividend of 2.3%. Future growth for AstraZeneca, 15.4% earnings growth rate, 15.9% EPS. And for GSK it's 18 and 18, and for Novo it is 13 and 13. So it's pretty tight between them. Financial health is also relatively similar, all things being even. Certainly not enough, I wouldn't have thought, to pick one over the other. So for me it's going to come down to a combination of future growth versus the valuation. I'm sure everyone's got their own thoughts on what's in the pipeline for these companies, so I'm going to narrow it down for you to Novo Nordisk or perhaps GSK. I do like an English stock. Sorry, AstraZeneca, and apologies to anyone who wanted to invest in that one. So there we have it. Which one do you prefer? Put a thumbs up in the comment next to the company that you like, and that's the one we'll be investing in next week. But my vote's going to go to... Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've had a fantastic Easter break and have a good week ahead.
Goodbye.